The instructor webcam is located on top of the monitor on the instructor podium. It has already been connected to the instructor computer, so all you need to do is turn on the classroom system and log on to the instructor computer. Start your Zoom meeting and then click Start Video. If there are multiple cameras, you may find that Zoom is not displaying the camera you want to show. To change your video source, click on the caret icon next to the video button. Choose the camera that you want to display. In this example, you can see that there are two Microsoft webcams connected to the computer. If you request the classroom webcam with tripod from the ATC, the provided webcam is the same model as the instructor webcam that is installed for classrooms with an instructor PC. In this case, Zoom is showing the classroom webcam, so I just need to choose the other Microsoft webcam to switch to the instructor webcam. In general use classrooms with an instructor Mac, a Logitech webcam is installed, so you will choose that camera to show the instructor webcam. You'll also notice that the Elmo document camera appears as a camera since the document camera is on. View the video on using the document camera with Zoom for more information on using that camera. Now the instructor webcam should be showing in Zoom. You can switch between cameras at any time using these same steps. To use the instructor webcam for your audio as well as video, click on the caret icon next to the microphone button. Select the same webcam you selected for your video source. If you have multiple webcams with the same name, you'll most likely need to test the audio to determine which one you want to select. Most instructor webcams are able to swivel 360 degrees as well as tilt up and down, so you can adjust the webcam to show different parts of the classroom as needed.